Hi, I'm Bill McGill. I'm the founder of the Enterprise Group. You know, this COVID crisis and the disruption that it's creating in all of our lives offers a unique moment to reflect on our limited runway, our fragile mortality, to pause and question our life priorities, where we're at now, and what we want to achieve while we're still fit and able. Have you been imagining a bold life ambition of deep personal meaning, something that would most honestly reflect the legacy that you want to leave and most accurately validate your core strengths, values, and priorities? Maybe you imagine writing the next great novel, or opening a wellness retreat in Bali, or a school for children in Haiti. Or maybe you don't even know yet. What are you waiting for? Your career to wind down? The nest to empty? Black swan events like COVID remind us that life is truly unpredictable, perhaps shorter than we had imagined. It just might be the unwelcome but healthy trigger to get us to rethink, completely reboot, and relaunch in an entirely new direction now. We can help. We offer a year-long program based on two fundamental questions: what now and how? Your grand life ambition will be clearly defined, debated, validated and improved, launched and supported over multiple sessions. We'll also fold in the latest concepts on emotional and physical well-being, because without this kind of balance, we'll all quickly exhaust and lose our bearings. Now, why listen to me? That's a good question. If you're still watching this video, I wager that I understand intimately well the questions you're asking, the dilemma you're facing, and the very real risks you are considering. I was an overpaid professional in Silicon Valley who 10 years ago left my job. I unhinged the family and I moved halfway across the globe in search of greater authenticity, ownership over my life legacy, for better or worse, and a richer, deeper life experience. Boy, have I made some mistakes, but I've learned a lot from this trial by fire. I teach the art of entrepreneurship these days at one of the world's leading business schools, and a marriage of the concepts of startup creation with life transition and wellness. This trinity of principles forms the core of our foundation on entrepreneurship. It is truly unique. We are planning 4 Life Leap workshops in 2021 to get you clearly down in the starter block and fire that starter pistol. There's a hard limit of 6 attendees per workshop, which should sum to 24 new entrepreneurs in 2021. Would you like to be considered for one of these slots? Do you feel ready to make that commitment? Would you like to talk about it? Why not contact us to get a conversation started? We would really love to learn more about you and your grand life ambitions. Now, it's been a crazy, crazy year. Please stay safe and stay healthy. There is a sunrise ahead. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.